Hi everyone. Today's book is Thunderstorm Dancing by Katerina Germain and Judy Watson. Shh, listen, what can you hear? It's moving fast, it's near. Can you feel the storm coming, building and running? It's close now, see? Please stay beside me. That is the wind whizzing and blowing, howling and groaning, making trees whoosh, making seas swoosh. Tommy is the clouds, looming and low, puffing and slow, hiding the sky. He can float, he can fly. Tommy is the clouds. Poppy is the thunder, stamping and thumping, clapping and bumping. Go bang and go bang, it's loud in this room. Hoppy is the thunder. Lockie is the lightning, flicking and flashing, tricking and dashing. Crackling, zap, sizzling, snap. Lockie is the lightning. Mummy is the rain, dripping and splashing, pouring and lashing, pattering drops, pounding rooftops. Mummy is the rain. Thunderstorm dancing, tapping and drumming, twirling and humming. We leap and we shake, we beat and we quake. Thunderstorm dancing, rolling and rumbling, crashing and tumbling. We prowl and we stomp, we growl and we bomb. Thunderstorm dancing, swirling and swinging, whirling and springing. We're lost in the riot, and then all is quiet. Granny is the sun, smiling and beaming, golden and gleaming, gentle and bright, warm yellow light. Granny is the sun. Shh, listen, what can you hear? Did it all disappear? Has the storm passed? Finished at last. There's one more thing, my chance to sing. Ready, set, go. I am the rainbow. Hope you enjoyed the book. Have a good day.